Hello, nice to meet you. I am Iris from Shanghai GOINGWIND Machinery. Please let me take you to visit our powder grinding equipment production workshop. Shanghai GOINGWIND Machinery Co. Ltd. was founded in Shanghai. It has expanded in Jiangsu, Zhejiang and other places. We have more than 20 years of experience in the R&D and production of food equipment. Our products are sold to more than 50 countries. Our production workshop for powder grinding equipment is located in Wuxi, Jiangsu. We produce various types of crushing and grinding equipment, which are widely used in the powder and flour industry, such as coarse crushing machines, commercial universal grinding machines, industrial grinding machines with dust removal system, ultrafine grinding machines, roller-type grinding machines for oily materials, special grinding equipment such as liquid nitrogen grinding machines, etc. We have corresponding crushing and grinding equipment for different material characteristics and fineness requirements. We can provide overall turnkey solutions and also provide customized services according to customers' special requirements. We are a professional food machinery manufacturer. We warmly welcome your visit and sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.